Hey everyone, how are you? Here to tell you a little bit about one of my most favorite watches. It is a gift that I got from my husband a couple years back. I think it was for birthday or Valentine's Day, something like that. I love Michael Kors watches. I think they're all really beautiful and different, and they come in all different types of colors and fits and really nice. I was really happy with this one because it has like a retro look to it, combined with the modern innovation of being like solar power, which is a great blend of classic design merged with modern technology. Really designed for practical and just casual reasons, and I just think it's really nice and very pretty and very classic looking. So the brand, of course, is Michael Kors. It's a woman's bracelet. A woman's watch. The material is rose gold and stainless steel. The display is analog, and the feature is it's water resistant. So it's a stainless steel case, stainless steel watch, silver dial, quartz movement, and water resistant 50 meters. The case is 42 millimeters. So I don't know what it is, like if it's just me and like I'm rough with my jewelry, but like it does come with like a plastic covering, of course, on it, but it looks shinier and better when you peel it off. So I eventually took it off. I wound up, unfortunately, with like all these scratches on it, and it's really unfortunate, but I'm sure there's something I could do to fix it, whether it's like replace the whole glass case or whatever. Of course, that's annoying to have to do. But yeah, it ended up getting scratched up. I'm gonna have to like figure out what I could do with that. I guess it's just me, like everyday life. I'm like kind of rough with my jewelry or whatever I'm doing while I have my jewelry on. It says Michael Kors here on the side, all stainless steel. What does this say here? ATM CCMK 3293. And it has like the Michael Kors branding on the side. It's lightweight, but it feels like heavier when you put it on. See the scratches? Yeah, it's really unfortunate. I think I have to maybe get a new glass to kind of fix that. Dial on the side, which you can adjust the time, of course, and turn it on. Right now I do have it off because I wasn't using it, so I just didn't want to waste the battery. So I'll take it off so you guys can see. Michael Kors, of course, comes with, or of course they make men's watches as well as women's. I've bought my husband several men's watches from him, and he loves them. He loves the design. This is actually called the Slim Runway Black Stainless Steel Watch. And like I said, it's just very classic. It comes in a box. I guess it's like a little manual, like I think it's the same one for all Michael Kors watches, even for the men's ones. They will look the same. They have like the little brown box, I guess it's like a goldish yellow and white pamphlet that comes inside. So I just definitely don't recommend using this watch if you're going to be doing any kind of like cleaning or whatever, because you could end up ruining it. I had this watch when I used to work in restaurant and waitress, and I think just from like lifting boxes and just working and cleaning, that's where the scratches probably came from. So just be careful. It's like, you know, you want to watch it, you want to wear it even to work because it's just so beautiful, but you just got to be really careful because like I said, the front could get scratched up, but it's still beautiful, and I'm really, really happy with it, and I definitely think it's worth what it costs. And I always would get compliments on it as well. Like I could wear this out for like a nice brunch. You could wear it out to dinner, or you could just wear it like casually, as long as you're not doing anything that can scratch it up. Comfortable, it's lightweight, it's easy to use, easy to read, and it keeps accurate time. So I just think it's beautiful. I think in the picture, maybe online, it could look, if you're ordering it online, it could look a little bright or loud and blingy, but I don't think it's that blingy, especially compared to what I usually wear, like stuff with sparkles and things like that. I think it's really beautiful and very classy looking, and I'm super happy with it, and I think it makes a wonderful gift, for a loved one or for yourself. And I definitely think it's long lasting, and I just love the rose golds with the purple. I think it's so different, so retro, and really, really beautiful. And the style is just easy to turn and simple to use. And of course, if you need the links taken off, you could just go to your department store and they'll do that for you. Snaps in really easy. So guys, this was the Michael Kors Slim Runway watch in women's. And I guess this is the number for it, the MK3293 that I read to you guys before, that was on the back. Water resistant. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I hope you guys get your own Michael Kors Slim Runway watch, and I hope you love it, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.